Very good morning, guys. Welcome back to a price action session Monday. So we'll take some tokens for this week. Entire week we'll focus only on those tokens. So from this week we'll start this session. So it will be great help for everyone and even me. To no need to find setups every day. If I take some 10 or 9 or 8 any 10 tokens. So these are the 10 tokens already I shared in a group. Okay, we'll find setups and I'll mark the zones in 1 hour. So we'll start. Okay, the first token is this. So here you can see what I saw in this. I'll tell you. So this was a previous week. I don't know when. Yeah, maybe previous week. Somebody has told me to maybe this. So I have just ignored that. The current week we can see very clearly there is no movement previous week. Correct. So now we got a super narrow in this token. See, until we don't get any proper breakout, we don't know. So what market can be happen. So this is the zone. It's very clear. This is the zone to, so we can mark here or till here. Yeah, this will be better. Okay. So always I used to tell we'll wait for a Monday, right? So we'll wait again for especially this token. Okay, this token ADA USDT. So it's very clear. And before this, I'll show you. See, this is, you can see the entire week. So it's clearly a downtrend here. Now, from last 3 weeks, market is sideways. So we can expect a good move maybe this week. So this, what you are seeing, this line, right? Maybe I marked a previous one. So now we don't see any this. I'll delete this. So, okay. So for current, here you mark this zone. Okay. Now it's very simple. See, if candles goes above this, then we'll wait for a breakout. Then we'll go for a long. So now we don't put any another zone here. So once if it break this level, after that we can mark one zone. We'll find that if it break it now itself, like after 1-2 hours, immediately I'll share this chart. Okay, I'll share in updates. So I'll share only these tokens. So if I'm sharing something in my daily updates, just go and check. It will be only in this token. At least you will get a idea that yeah, only in I'm talking about these tokens. Okay, this is the first. So remember, once if it break these levels, then from this level we can look at long positions. So now we cannot we don't use that any zones. We'll wait. If the candles come down, okay, then this is the area to look at short positions. Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. If not, a daily trend X. So I'll be keep updating. Today is a very crucial day. So still we cannot see any proper head and shoulder pattern here. Let's see what will happen, because to become a proper head and shoulder, it should not break this level. So one more token I have, which we can see very clearly head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is the first. We can plan a trades here. The second one is this. Okay, this. So see, we got a breakout here. Okay, I just now we got a breakout here. So now we'll wait for a retest this level. Correct. This was the zone. I marked it. This was the zone. So market was struggling here directly, like last candle, which it closed before 7 minutes. We got a bullish engulfing here, the 1 hour candle. Correct. So we'll wait for a retest. Then we can go for a long positions. Make sure that we have one zone here and we have a weekly narrow also. And this is weekly super narrow. Correct. We'll just wait. So if you want to jump into this trade, just go to the daily trend X. Okay. I'll just show you. Daily trend X. Okay. See, daily trend X is wide. So now if you want to take any long positions, scalping trades, so now this is the level. Even the trend X is showing exactly. So this is the level now. Just see. So now wait for a retest. Then you can go for a long positions. Make sure we have two area to book some profit. Correct. This is a wide trend X, but the weekly is super narrow. Correct. You can see very clearly. This is 1, 2, 3 more. So before going up, like it will give you one zone. This is a zone. So now this zone exactly we saw in a 1 hour. So this is the zone now.
Pramod,
Yeah.
I can't quite see on my screen what the levels are. Do you mind reading when you say this is the zone? Will you read out what the zone level is? Because I can't see it, and I've even got a magnifying glass.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat again?
Yeah, I can't quite see the figures. I can't see the price because my on the computer screen. So I think it looks like 0.59, but I can't quite tell. It's so tiny. So when you say this is the zone, do you mind saying what the zone is? Like 59 to 59 to 60 or whatever it might be.
Oh, sure. But
Please.
yeah, but you can do one more thing, ma'am. See, just take a screenshot this. Same exactly you can find you in your chart also, right? Like I take only those zones which I can see very clearly wicks. So this kind of, so you can see very clearly, right?
Yeah,
So
but I can't see the figure. I can see the zone, but I can't see what the figure is at the side to write it down.
I'll do one thing. I'll post this in a Discord. If you want, I'll post this, ma'am.
Okay, if you can post them in Discord, then I can blow them up later.
Okay, I'll post it there, ma'am. Once the session done, I'll post it there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
cheers.
no problem.
Abby,
Yeah,
can I
no
give you a quick suggestion, Abby?
Yes.
If you just take a picture with if you're on your phone, take a picture with it, and then you can then blow it up as you like.
It does look quite blurred.
Then it might be your screen, your internet. Okay, I'll leave it there. Thank you.
Yeah, it's blurred, even if I did that. Sorry. I'm working on getting another computer, so.
I'll post it, ma'am. I'll post it there.
Thanks.
Okay, no problem. So this is the zone, guys. Okay, you can see if you know about the zones, right? Like many people are coming, like they are joining in UK session. You can find in your chart. Okay, you can find in your chart. So now always Monday, like day one, fresh week, it will make one pattern before going up or down. So we should find that pattern and or zones. Now this is the zone. It's very clear. If this is a zone, always remember who say if you see any zones, right? Any kind of zone, somebody like any other person is also is marking the zone. It means there is a strong zone. See, this can be possible. Even this can be possible. So always that zone will be a very critical when it comes to like when somebody is marking this kind of zone. So you should be ready for anything here, like because this is a super narrow. Correct? Maybe it can trap everyone. So just we follow the footprints. Okay, we got a super narrow. Maybe we'll get evening today evening or maybe tomorrow morning, according to my timings, right? Okay. So be ready for this. So the third token, so which I saw this you can see we got a multiple rejections here. I'll just zoom out these levels. See, when I see these kind of rejections, right? So what it can be possible. See, there are always it will be a two possible. See, always when we see breakout, we don't know whether it is a liquidity sweep, correct? Because you can see the wicks. So what we should be here when if it's coming back and if you see any kind of rejection in 1 hour candle, shooting star, or evening star, inverted hammer. So you can take a small trade. Please use stop loss, use proper risk management, and this is the zone. So what I believe when I see these kind of rejection, see this is, we got multiple times rejection. So now we got a breakout. So now this is the a way I look at short positions. Now I'll just show you the weekly narrow trend X. This is the weekly narrow trend X. Correct. So now first area to look a short position. This, remember, we have the weekly trend X at the same place. So I mark these two to remember myself. So why I mark these two? I made all chart before coming here. Correct. If we see any big green candle, just wait for retest. So at that point we can say this is a liquidity sweep very clearly. So once if you see any bullish candle, bullish engulf, then it will be clear that yes, this was the liquidity sweep. So again, we'll wait for retest, then boom. So and see, to catch the trades, only daily trend X will help you. Okay, the daily trend X, just go in daily trend X, we can find the trades. Right. So we'll wait for this token. This is entire week. Either we will wait for this target or this. Correct. Now we are at center up area. Who knows? Maybe it can reach market here or here. Correct. We'll follow the footprints. That's it. So this is the BSV USDT. Okay. Just you save your chart, right? Just you every day I'll be updating. You just go and look that. That's it. So this token. See now here we have one beautiful zone. See now when I see these kind of charts, right? Always I prefer to take short positions below this. I'll wait a retest, then I'll join here. I'll show you the trend X. This. So you can see very clearly, this is the liquidity sweep, what we was talking the previous token. Correct? BSV USDT, I think so. Yeah, BSV USDT. So same, maybe it can be liquidity sweep, right? So this token, so now BTC USD. So we should wait always. See, this is how they'll wrap. So we'll wait here also. Once if it break this level, then retest we'll try a trade from here because we are below weekly and 200 EMA. If it goes above this, then we look a long positions. But we need proper setup to take a long positions. Now, I don't want to make one more zone and make you confuse here. No, we will wait. We'll wait for a proper long setup. Okay, if I see any changes, then we'll sit on long positions. See, if I tell that if we have one more zone here, then there is like no point to look along positions above this. Before that, it can make one zone here. I can say that, yeah, you can go along because I look only a current what we are seeing here. I want this data. What next pattern we can see here? That is very important. Always, that's the reason I don't look a previous for now. I'll wait. Let's see what a pattern it will create. Okay, this is a BTC USD. So from last 2 weeks, almost 15 days, market was a sideways here. You can see very clearly from this area. So it's completely a sideways. So we will wait. See, now I'll tell you once if it break this level, I'm not looking any immediately quick trade and this is a target. So if it came out of the box, so we can think further what can be happen. Let it go up. We'll find the trades in this area here. Correct. Now it's, so now it created one pattern here. You can see very clearly it created one pattern. So now if candles are coming at same place many times, then this support can be a weaker. Anytime it can break. Maybe it can start from here itself. So anything doing before that, it will give you us one pattern. We'll find that. Okay, I'll just post if I see any changes. Now it's very easy to post chart because I don't look any other charts now. I'll just focus only these tokens from today. So it's very easy when I come here and I sit. Okay, I'll just see what is happening here. Correct. So it will be very clear even for me. So now the next token is CEEK USDT. Oh my. So now this is very clearly I was seeing head and shoulder, but the Monday new chart, new weekly trend X. So let's wait what it does. Correct. So we'll wait. If it is this pattern, then we'll look at short positions. If not, we'll wait. We'll wait because always remember the Monday first day. Always it will create some pattern. The next day it will start giving us a good trades. So we'll wait. And you can see very clearly last week we got a narrow trend X, but there was a no good movement. So I believe that at least we can get a very good trade in this week. So you mark this short also. I'll just delete this. Okay, done. So we'll wait how candles will react. Once if it break this level, it's very simple. Once if it break this level, then retest, done. So you are joining your trades from this area. From this area. If not, next candle, maybe next candle or this candle, still we have 40 minutes. If we see any big shooting star or next candle bearish engulf, then we can go for a small trade. Keep your stop loss above this level. Use risk management always, guys. Okay. So let's see how the daily trend index is reacting.
Pramod, can I ask you something?
Yeah, please, sir.
I was looking at the BSV chart you just had.
Okay.
On my chart, the daily looked above the weekly. On your chart, it's below the weekly. I couldn't figure this one out.
Oh, really? Let me see.
Can we check BSV again?
This one, right, sir? BSV USDT.
Yeah, USDT. Where is the daily? Where's the weekly?
So we can see, sir. Weekly and
Yeah.
daily, it's yeah. Now candles are below both.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, we'll in 1 hour I'll show you, sir. See, yeah.
You were going for a short on this. Is that correct?
Yeah, I correct. It's I see before any trade, I'll just see what price action showing me, sir. Correct. Now price action you can see like almost 10 days. Yeah, 10 days. So market was taking a support this level. So we got a breakout now. If this work, then definitely I look short. If not, if I see any big green candle, then we can say this was the fake breakout. This was the fake breakout. So I'll continue my long positions. Yeah. Okay, now the you mark this also. I'll also even I take I'll keep it here. So at least I'll get an idea. Okay, I kept alert here. See, simple guys. See, market should go a one side, either up, either down. Correct? Any market. So always we should follow footprints. That is how I make a good profit. The only Monday it will be confusion. You know why? Saturday, Sunday market will make some nonsense because it will be low volume. If we have a Monday to Friday one proper market, so we can say we got one beautiful pattern. So because of the Saturday, Sunday, what the market is opened here, it will make some useless pattern here. It will make confusion and it will stop. Got my point? That is the problem. So Monday, like we'll get a good pattern. Tuesday, Wednesday, everything was fine. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they'll make this kind of trades. So here we should wait for a breakout. Every week, this is what's happening here. Correct? This Saturday and weekends, what we see, this is what because of these Saturday, Sunday, we are waiting for a breakout. So maybe this is a Saturday, Sunday. Yes, this is Saturday and Sunday. So now this Saturday, Sunday, it made a good pattern here. But whether it works or no, it'll come to know. We'll wait. Correct? We'll wait here. We'll see what will happen. So Jasmine USDT. Oh. So yeah. So now just see guys, this candles was like today morning, right? Candles was above weekly. See how it rejected and came down, right? So this was the neckline. This is the neckline. So they trapped, right? See, they trap. If you don't know about zones, then you even even not indicator. 1 second, guys. So here, see, as soon as we see okay, candles closed above a weekly with the bullish candle, we go for a long positions. This is how we trade, right? So just we should see where are the necklines patterns. So now this is the neckline. Can see we got evening star candle perfectly. I'll just hide the uh, uh, indicators. Just see this is the evening star candle, bullish candle, doji, and a red candle bearish. And now this is the retest. Correct. Now this is a weekly super narrow. So we'll find a trades in this. Just go in 5 minutes. I'll just come back here. Yeah. So you can find a trades in even is also Jasmine USDT. So candles is taking rejection from a weekly trend itself now. Correct. If you see always 5 minutes, especially when it comes to 5 minutes. So now you can see very clearly this area, right? So wait for a breakout now. Correct. We should wait for a breakout. We can travel like this. So stop loss above this zone. Use stop loss, guys. Okay, very first time I'm showing you these kind of trades, but yes, it works. When I even I do same thing when when I start trading on Mondays. I'll wait patiently. I look all trades, balance and FX balance. Okay. So this is a Jasmine. It's very simple zones. Oh, 1 second. Okay, it's very simple zone. You can see we have only I've only took only one zone. It's very clear. This is a neckline. So how to identify neckline? See, market started from here and made one high. Correct. So when it came back again went up. So now when I see these kind of trades like setup, I just mark the necklines. So this current week it crossed the neckline and it touched the neckline and it came down. So now below that zone we have a narrow trend X. Now just we check a 200 EMA and we are below the 200 EMA. Correct. Now it's let's see how it works. Yeah, this is a descending. Yeah. Okay, you can plan according to the 5 minutes because 5 minutes entry and stop loss always it will be a very small. Okay, just me this. I'll just I'll add my alert here. Let's find one. Oh, Okay. So one like next token like NYAN USDT. I don't know how to pronounce this, but yeah. Yeah, even this, why I took this token, you can see the last week we had super narrow, the market was sideways. But this week we'll get, I'm expecting I'll get good trades. So when you see these kind of setups, it's very simple. You just take uh, any zones, like it should be a rejection from at least 2-3 times. Now you can see very clearly this is the zone. So market has rejected almost 4-5 times here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So now according to the zones, we should wait for a breakout. Correct? We should wait for a breakout. Then we are taking, we should go for a long positions. Now, if I see the trend X, yes, we are above the weekly trend X. So now the same place already we got previous week high and R1. So now if it's crossing this level, make sure this is the retest area. Okay, I'll mark this also. I'll update a new chart. Always remember the patience is game here. There is no point to go in FOMO and jump into the trade day one itself. We should wait because we have next session. We have UK session in evening. At that, like we can get good trade in US session also. And one, let me see this. So yeah, you mark this zone. This. Let me check 1 second. Yes. See now. So from here, I'll start. We got a breakout. Correct. This was a fake breakout. The same place when we got a breakout, it took a resistance, sorry, support from this place. Again, I'll show you how I took this zone. This, okay. So we got a breakout here. At the same place, we got a retest and market went up. When it came back, it gave a breakout here. So this was the fake breakout. So how to identify fake breakout? So immediately market went to the zone. Again, it took a support from same area where it was taken a previous. So now this zone, again, we are at same place even today itself. Correct? This is a logic behind taking the zones. That's very simple. And you see, a weekly trend X is at the same place. Correct. Now this is not a trading zone. How to take the trade? Like who knows better scalping or to take trade from support resistance? They'll take a long position from here. They'll go for a short from here. But we should be. So we all are beginners here. We are not so a pro trader there. Then when it comes here, we'll go for a long positions. Better we'll wait. So even market should go either up or down, or here or here. Now we have a clear direction. We are inside the zone still. So this is the crucial area, I think. Like I'll put one alert here also. Okay, just mark these zones, NYAN USDT. So Tommy USDT, TOMI USDT. So this is again the last week we got a super narrow, but we didn't see any good trades. But clearly you can see this was the neckline. We got a breakout, but still retest is pending. Okay, this area is a retest area. I'll just quick draw and show you. See, if you see any area, I'll just mark this. If you see any kind of in 1 hour, market will be a sideways. Okay, so immediately we'll get. I'll just come back. Okay, see when we see these kind of trades. So as soon as we'll get a breakout, right? So we should not jump trade. The reason it can go back. to just trap it. They'll push below that zone. So why the retest is important? So the trader will wait whether is it a real breakout or a fake breakout. If the market enter inside this level, what he does, he'll go for a long positions. He'll jump into the trade. So he'll come to know this was the fake breakout. If this is a real breakout, then he'll take a trade from here. The 1 hour candlestick pattern, what I used to tell, will wait. Then he'll take a trade from this area because we are missing the trades from this. The reason we was not seeing the previous week here. We was not looking any trades here, correct? So for that reason, we should join our trade from these levels. We should wait for a retest. Really retest teach you so many things. You will understand like, yes, when we see breakout, we should wait. Who knows, a market, they can trap. At least you would have not missed the long positions, this area. So now just see with price action, with trend X, how the weekly trend X mark. Exactly. This was the neckline, same area we got a weekly trend X. Now it's very simple that even you will understand when you see here, okay, if it's coming here, then I'll go for a short. If it's closing above this level, then we'll go for a long positions. Now, obviously, this is our target. So again, we are at a neckline. I wish that it should not fall immediately, then it will be very let's see. Okay, daily trend X, you keep one eye on daily trend X. Daily trend X is very important to find the setup. So the next one is super USDT. Yeah, I already marked this. Here, what I have saw here. See, this is a neckline, correct? But whether we don't know is it fake or yeah real breakout. So if it's coming this level, then we look short positions. If it break this level, then this white line should break. That is very important. White line should break because this is one zone. This is also one zone. Market maybe can take these test and it can come down. So to remind me, I mark myself for this. So this is white line is very important. Okay, remember this. It can be like this also. Correct? We know always we should wait this setup because when I see these kind of rejections, right, then I'll put one white line. You can see very clearly behind to put white line. So when you, I'll just take this exact accurate. Okay. So now just see, this is 1 hour candle. So 1 hour candle we got 1, 2, 3. 3 candle rejection. It means 3 hours. So after 6 hours, market came at same place. Again, candle closed below, sorry, above this white line. So like almost 15 hours, market is struggling to break that white line. Right? It was struggling. So finally we got breakout this candle. So whether the next candle sustain, no, it was a fake breakout. It went so badly up. You can see this. Again, it went previous high. So now again, we got a breakout, proper breakout. So it's coming down. Now, according to a breakout, we need retest. Right? Makes sense, right? If we need retest this level. We need proper retest this level to take a short positions. Okay, this is fine. Now, where are the weekly trend X? Weekly trend X is nearby that white line. So for that reason, I put one white line. So this is how I see all these kind of zones before taking trades, because when I see 1 hour zone, I personally look big targets. Correct. So somebody what they do, I'll tell you. See, they show us big green candle. So like others, many people like they'll start looking along positions. So after 2-3 candles, they'll make small. Say finally, it will come down. So later we'll come to know this was the fake breakout. So before that, we should find those levels which can be a fake breakout. So now my point is the white line candle should close it proper. Candle should close. So next, any red candles are coming, doesn't matter because already we got a breakout. It can be a retest. Then these levels are looking along positions.
Pramod,
Because-
why do you mark with a line and not a zone?
No, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Yeah. So when it comes to a short position, this is the zone. Okay, this is a zone for a short positions. Once if it break this white line, so that time we'll think about a long positions. Now we are very clear. We are looking at short positions because candles are below weekly, below zone, everything fine. If it change direction, then we should follow the footprints. Now, before changing direction, this can be happened, sir. So I already marked the white line.
My question is, why do you
Yeah.
use a white line? Why don't you use a zone?
Yeah, the white line is a minor zone for current, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, because see, like I'll just show you the gray box. What you are seeing, this I'm looking at short positions because this is a strong zone to look at short positions, not for a long positions. When candles turns above this, then I'll mark one gray zone here. Not now. To chart look clear. That's it, sir.
Okay.
To remind myself, we have already one zone, but that is pending now. I'll put later. If it's go in other direction, then I'll put a proper zone. I'll share it there if I see any changes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yes.
Pramod, we have to go above the line with closing candle or just a wick
Closing candle. Closing is very
Closing.
important. Yeah.
closing. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
No problem. Say any like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, when like wherever you make a chart, right? Any candlestick pattern you looks, the zones, always we have a breakout. The breakout should close candles. That is very important. Now,
And on 5 minutes,
Yes.
5 minutes candle, it's enough
this setup, it should be 1 hour, ma'am.
for this 1 hour.
This
Yeah.
is 1 hour. Yeah.
Yeah.
Candles should close. Candle should close. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
Like-
understood. Yeah,
Yes.
understood. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Pramod,
Yeah, sir.
there might be a trade on DAR. Very interesting.
DAR.
D for David, A for Apple, R for Roger.
1 second, sir. Let me. DAR USDT,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
We got. Oh. So now,
Yes.
can
I'm
you
already
see?
in this trade.
Oh, very nice, sir. So we should wait till here, sir, to enter the long positions. Yes. This is the area you can look a long position, sir. Let me check in 1 hour. 1 second.
I'm on a short from the top.
Oh my God. Okay. So in 1 hour, we got a breakout. Yes. So this, guys, you just see, we got a breakout like almost so many candles, I think. So let me check. 16 hours. So now wait. Let's come. Market comes here. Just jump into the 5 minutes because already we find one 5 minutes, the same place. We'll wait for a retracement. Now, this is very I'll teach you something here. See now, here when if it's come here, we are not waiting for a retest. You know when we should see retest and when we should not retest. See, this is somebody asked me this question personally. So when I say retest, see, it's very easy to understand. If candle is going below the zone, then retest is very important. Here, market is coming from above. So now we are joining our trade. There is no point for retest. Okay. In this situation, how we are going to look a retest? If this level breaks, when it enter into the zone, then a retest is important. Understood? If it's coming directly and if you see any 5 minutes candle, then you are joining the trade. If it's breaking this level, then we are looking a trade in this way. So let it break, let it come into our zone, retest, then try. Now this is called a 1 2 3 move, 1 2 3 move. So one big breakout, wait for a retracement. Two, the two is our key to look along positions. The three is a trade, like we are waiting for a next resistance. So now here, current situation, there is no retest. We are not looking any retest. Just we are joining the trades. This. Okay, we got a breakout. So you mark two zones here, like I'll tell you, see, this is the one zone, second zone, which hidden, like people are not finding one more zone, maybe. This is our second zone. Okay, so if candles break this level, okay, if candles break this level, now how the scenario will change? So let it break this level. So this. So last week we saw a same thing in BTC. Maybe you know. I'll just show you. Okay, I'll just show you how the BTC made that zone. 1 second. I just removed that, but I'll show. Yeah, this one. Maybe you saw this, right? So I told if it this break if this was if this fake breakout, then wait, let it come inside, retest, then it will go. So now you can see this is the area which we were looking a long position. I told don't look any short position. It can be a trap because below this zone we have a weekly narrow trend X. For that reason, I told we should not look any short positions. And same like they did same thing what we was thinking. Now when it comes to this DAR USDT, yes. So now it's in 1 hour we have same zone, 5 minutes almost same. Okay, wait, don't jump into the trade here itself. So where is the daily resistance? Yeah. See, now this is the daily resistance, correct? So I'll show you how the zone works. So this is the daily resistance. Now, if you want to take a long positions, now let it go. Now, when it come to for retest, you have a zone which trend X already made. Correct. Same thing I look when I mark zones. Same thing what it's showing now. So it's very simple. It's showing us this is a resistance one and previous day high. Correct. When candles goes above this, then we should wait for a retest this area to take. First target is this because maybe it can a double top, like right? It can be a double top again. So this is the best area to take a long positions. The reason we got a breakout in 1 hour. And almost candles was staying 16 hours at that same place. And the completely 2 weeks market was sideways. We got a big move here. Let's see what will happen. Just to mark this zone, okay? I'll also keep an alert here. I'll keep one alert here. Second alert here. See, candles, it's very important to close. This is how they were showing us a green candle. So as soon as we saw green candle, we'll feel to jump, right? Because we see these kind of trades. Oh my God, we missed big move and again market is pumping. Let's jump into they'll take the trade. Done. They don't know whether I should close, I should wait. What? So patience is very important. So now let's wait. wait, it'll, when it comes here, then we look up long positions, okay? The last token which I have, 1 second, I'll open. See, this very first time I'm experienced very first time. Maybe I hope this it will go well. We'll continue this, okay? Even I'll get confidence when I see all these charts working perfectly. I'll wait. Oh, 10:30. See, when I posted, correct? When I posted, maybe I posted at 10:30 or I'm not sure. Let me check. Mhm. Yeah, I posted at 10 a.m. So now it was this candle. 10:30, 9:30 to 10:30. Yeah, here. And you can see it took exactly this level. Now this level, how it took rejections, correct? Now we will wait 1 second. Let me see clearly. Yeah. Okay. So here already market has tapped this level. Now let's wait to like candle should go this level. The reason I'll tell you. Yeah. See here, first this level market was struggling to go up. Finally, we got a breakout. After breakout, again it started struggling at the same place. This is SNR, right? So first it was resistance, it became support. Now it breaks support. Now again now it's resistance. This is clear. Okay. Now where is the weekly trend X? Same place. The same place we have a weekly trend X. So daily trend X, just go to the daily trend X. Okay, 1 second. Weekly. Okay. So weekly trend X. We have daily and weekly. Okay. This level, maybe tomorrow or today evening UA session. If you see any rejection, this area, try for a short positions. Because see, when I see these kind of charts, you can see very clear. I told you, right? I look only current situations what market is creating. So previous 2 weeks market is sideways. Not only about this token, most of tokens it was a sideways. Now already we got something. We find it something. It's interesting. Correct. This area is very important because still a retest is pending. So wherever you see a breakouts, whatever, a retest is very important. Now let's wait this area. Maybe today evening or tomorrow morning. Again, my timings. Yeah, those 10 charts, which I think will get a good trades. And before uh, posting any charts here, I saw so many things on that then only I selected this token. Let's hope we'll get good trades in these tokens. We'll follow entire this week these tokens. Okay, all the best, guys. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. So it's so soon, 50 minutes. Seriously, amazing. Yeah, you can ask me any questions if you have any doubts about these tokens. Again, we'll discuss same thing from tomorrow. If I see any single changes in this, because see, when I come here, it's very easy to, okay, what I mark the zones, I'll find, right? So it's quickly, I'll update this token. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Yeah, this format is very nice, even for me also personally. It's very easy to me share the chat because I don't look any other chat. I'll come, okay, what I saw a BCV changes here, I just update. Correct. Even I'm sure that you will get good trades if you follow these charts because I post regularly. Only I'll talk about those charts entire week. Yeah, sir. Let me see gold. See, gold is seriously, sir. I think I'll stop looking at trades for now, sir, because I seriously don't I see any technically trades. This is all fundamental, sir. I'll just show you the weekly charts. It's so like, how can we, you can see all-time high. So now best area to look along positions is in gold, 90 area, sir. Let me check. Yes. So now we have a two area. It's where you can see this is the first area. Market was struggling. If you see any rejection, we can look along positions from this area. This and 90. No, this. Let me see weekly trend. Yes, the same area we got a weekly. Sorry, a weekly center pivot. It's nearby almost. To this area, I look a long position, sir. This, and I took this trade. Let me see. In 5 minutes, I'll show you how I took this trade. I'll tell you. Yeah, I told already this, right? The Friday when I was in UK session, you can see how I told everyone I took trade. I'm booking some $80. I told everyone, correct? I saw bullish engulf and this was my zone. I'll just show you how I took if you are new today. So I was waiting to look along positions. Candles was upper weekly and daily, almost near daily. So I was looking along positions here. I didn't get. So it's try to understand. I saw a wick here. Okay. Did market went up? No, it came down. Fine. Now I was waiting for a breakout this level to continue the journey. So I saw the breakout. So as soon as I see breakout, I don't jump into the trade. I was waiting for a retest and I was sitting here itself, UK session with everyone. So market went up here from this place. Okay. So as soon as came back, did I get any retracement bullish sign? No. I didn't get any confirmation here. I'll just delete this. So I didn't get any confirmation here. And I was busy teaching here, like I was talking here, and I was looking in other computer. As soon as I saw the big green candle, I took my trade here. I use my stop loss below these zones, or I'll keep my stop loss below this candle. Now I don't wait for a retest because you can see the candle size. And this is a UK session. As soon as I took the trade, immediately I told I took the trade and I closed my trade somewhere here. I booked 80%, sorry, 50%, and rest I hold it. And this was that move. If you are here on Friday, you would have understand. Just see how the zone gave me entry. The entry was exactly near a trend X. I was not looking any short positions here because candle was above weekly and it was near a daily trend X. Correct. And I usually tell when candles are above weekly, we should look along positions from daily S1 or previous. You can see this is the daily S1 again. Correct. So here you can see this area. I took my trade, same what I told just now. I booked some 50% I booked and I hold. Even I was not expecting this much, seriously. I was not expecting, but yes, we got the good trade.
Pramod, can I ask you a quick question?
Sorry.
Go on, Abby. Go on.
Oh, thanks. Just when are you back online again? I'm England. What time? Is it later on today? You're going to be looking at these coins again and we're having another meeting?
The same timing, ma'am, from tomorrow, like what I came today.
Oh, okay. So 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah, yes, 8 a.m. UK, yes.
And most of these aren't going to be we're not going to look to take any to enter any of these trades until tomorrow.
Yes, we should wait, ma'am. See, once you will understand the
Okay.
things, how market works, then but situation, what we are seeing here, we should wait for a retest, whatever I showed here, right? Let me open.
Yes, great.
Yeah, we'll
Okay,
wait for,
fine.
yeah.
Thank you.
No problem, ma'am.
Oh, by the way, it's been so helpful. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, ma'am. Yeah, you can ask me any, if you have any doubts, you can ask me, guys. See now, this is how we should wait. Now, it's coming down, right? We'll wait for a retest. Always retest is a very, very important.
Sorry, Pramod. I
Yeah.
was just going to ask you, just on on that gold trade that you took. If you zoom in a little bit on the daily pivot, just on the screen that you're on at the moment.
Yeah.
See, would you have considered taking the trade here, or would you wait for it to? Because essentially that's a retest there, right? Sorry, it's probably not the best color, but would you consider taking the trade there?
Yes, I would have take here, sir.
You would have taken it there, yeah.
Yes, but yeah, but see, when we mark any zones, right? So these kind of zones, I would have enter here, because from 12:30 to 3, almost 2:30, my timings. That is a very good session to take the trades, because that is UK session. But when I see these kind of candles, I'll definitely try with stop loss. But remember, it should be up, like, see, before that we should see which candle was that. And when it comes near any zones, at least we need, like, you can see this area, right? This.
Yeah.
So we need a proper 2-3 candles setup, sir. Yes, if I see any good candles here, if assume that this candles came till here, I would have take my trade and keep stop loss. Maybe maybe I take stop loss. But as soon as I see my next trade, this kind of a bullish engulf, I'll just jump into the trade. I'll use stop loss. Yes, because see, this was a weekly narrow, or sorry, daily narrow. This. And gold, where we don't see a regular narrows there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, no, it was just I wanted to make sure that you would consider from there. It's
Yes.
not I'm not thinking anything. Oh, sorry, you know what I mean. I'm not considering anything wrong. It's just a case of that it's retraced and gone afterwards.
Yes. I'll take. If it's coming in these zones nearby, and if I see any bullish candle, I'll just take the trade. Again, my stop loss will be below this zone.
What if it was just in this case, which is just out the zone, so it's just on top of the zone? Would you still take that, or would you have to wait for it to see those two candles in the zone?
I'll take it, sir. I'll just. Can you come again? I didn't get you.
So
Sir. Yeah.
All I meant was, so you would take the trade here, or you'd wait to see those two candles in the zone.
I'll take the trade, because only in sessions. Now this is UK session. I would have take the trade, and my stop loss. Yeah, my stop loss here. I told you, right?
So,
yeah, it should be a session. Like, this is the UK session. Anything can happen, sir. Maybe it can start from here, but I don't want to take. I don't want to miss that trade. I would have take my trade when candle will close this. I'm sorry. I'll just show you. I'll jump this way. I'll keep my stop loss below this zone, but target are really big. If my stop loss hit, suppose assume that I took the trade from this candle. Okay. If my stop loss hits, immediately I'll take next trade when I see these kind of candles. Now I'll get a more confidence. Okay, that was a fake breakout. Now this is my trade. My first target, as usual, I use a trend X. Again, you can see this. I'll hold my 50% and I'll recover my all stop loss, because here only a thing is, I believe, zones, because you can see entire like half of the day market was sideways, and before going any market up or down, it will create one pattern, sir. As I say, I'll just hide the indicators here. Yeah, if this candles was near this area, I was taking the trade. Absolutely, I was taking the trade, and I don't wait any retest here, because UK session already we got breakout, and this is a retest. If I see any bullish candle here, I was taking the trades. Yes, I'll take.
Okay, fine. I just wanted to make sure the analysis was correct. We would have taken a stop loss there, but we would have been able to find another entry. Yeah.
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
Another entry, and I this trade I was here itself. And I told I am booking some good profit. I entered the trade only because of this candle. I told everyone I took only because of this candle, because I was waiting. This is a narrow trend X and we are above weekly. Yes, it can go up. But seriously, I was not sure that market can go till here. Like this was just dream.
Yeah, lovely move.
Yeah,
Lovely.
yeah, sir.
All right. Thanks, Pramod. Thanks for your help, mate.
No, no
Cheers.
problem, sir.
Pramod,
Mr. Penny.
sorry.
Go ahead, Abby. You go, Abby.
Sorry, Gordon. Just quick. Where you said you took the trade on you said that candle was a bullish engulfing candle.
Mhm.
I always thought a bullish engulfing candle,
Correct.
let's say we're going for the green and the red, had to be next to another red. So is a bullish engulfing candle just a whopping great big candle? And it can be next to any color, green or red.
You're talking about this candle.
Yes, that one.
Okay, so bullish engulf candle. What I said, for a very good question, ma'am. I'll to answer me, it will be very interesting me to answer this. See, this is a not any zone that I can say this is a bullish engulf. This is a bullish engulf only for a my zone. It break my level which I marked. It break my level with very good volume. So for me, like here, according to the my zone, this is a bullish engulf candle. So when
Okay, got you.
when I plan this trade here, so stop loss it should be below this candle, but already have one zone. So I no need to keep my stop loss here. And if any candle close below this, then I'll exit my trades.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No, my pleasure.
Great one, Abby. That was a great question, actually.
Yeah, it
Mr.
was
Penny,
good question. I'll just again explain others. See, we need a bullish engulf here because this is our zone or support and resistance, correct? You assume that this is support. We need a bullish engulf here. But the bullish engulf, what I used to tell now here, this place, I told bullish engulf for this zone. It break very with good volume, the zone, right? So for that reason, I took my long positions. I kept my stop loss actually below this candle. Yeah, Gordon sir, he was asking me something. Gordon sir.
You're muted, Gordon.
Oh, sorry. Can you go where Sam was talking about that area of the retest? Can you zoom me up just there?
Mhm.
So around 11:45 your time,
Mhm.
it seemed to be coming in for a retest, and it just missed your zone by a pip or so. Just those two candles there on the left of your mouse.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So, as Sam was going into the detail further on the right, I'm just wondering whether that would you also consider that a retest, because it came very close to your zone before going back up with a reasonably strong green candle.
Oh, again I'll repeat, sir. After 12 p.m., I'll look my trades. Before 12 p.m., whatever I see, I don't take the trades, especially only on gold. Gold runs according to the sessions. I take my trades after this because this is a UK session for us, 12 p.m.
Okay, so 12th noon
Yes.
for you
Yes.
is whatever UK session is a
Yes.
hard rule.
Correct. Even when it comes to a US
Crazy.
session, before 6 p.m., whatever market makes any pattern, not only me, in Asian countries, they don't take. They only take after 18 here. After this, they'll plan the trade. Before this, they don't take any trades. Let it any candle split patterns, anything, because we know that can be a fake breakouts, because that is not a session only in gold, sir. I'm not talking about any other token. You can just look how every day go and see entire day market was sideways. After reaching the 6, you can see this drop because this is a New York session. Only for that reason, not only today, every day you just go and see the 18, like in my timings. See, so before
No, that's
that,
good. Good to know.
yeah. So here also, when it comes to UK session, until So if I see any candles, I'll tell no, we'll wait for a UK session. We'll wait for a UK session. Yes, same thing.
I wasn't actually asking for gold, in fact, but I'm glad you did it, because I was actually saying that you're alongside the trade setups, you were also giving a lot of education, which is gold. That just means it's very good. I wasn't specifically asking for gold, but I'm glad you did it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, sir.
Two birds, one stone.
So we got a breakout here, ADA USD. Now will wait this guy. Guys, see, this is a very first time I am doing. I'm sure I'll, at least for me, this is very new for me. Okay, you can understand. If this works, I'm sure that this work what we are planning from Monday. We'll focus only these charts. So you will not only you will get a trades, 90% you will learn so many things within 10 days. So I'm sure that by this week, if I start talking about these tokens, you will come to know what all I saw before taking any trades. I think only this week is enough for you guys. You will understand so many things about price action. Later you will thank me, because I know, see, this is the first day. So second day I'll show you guys, see, we got a breakout, correct? We got a retest and all. Now you wait for a retest here. I'll show you how the retest works. Really works really amazing when it comes for retest, which candles we got before going up. Like if it's coming down here, if it's going up like this, then you will be happy when you see these kind of zones. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, you make sure that you took all a screenshot here, or you mark the zones. Okay, you mark yourself. Remember, always the nearby zone, whatever you mark the zones, the weekly trend index will be always together itself, the most of the time, especially on Mondays.
Hi, Pramod.
Yeah, sir.
Just a quick one on your gold trade.
Okay.
You set your take profit, and you took your 80%, and then you let your 20% run.
Correct.
Do you set another area for that 20%, or do you then just watch it go up and then just take your last 20% out by watching it, or do you set a zone for it?
I'll just tell you. So when I took this trade, right, sir? So I was watching from my other screen, and I was talking with the members here, community. As soon as I took the trades, and I started showing something there. So I actually missed this candle to watch. Immediately I saw the candles was taking rejection. So I saw I was getting good trade, like good profit. I just closed it, not 80%, 50% I closed it. I have some 4 different accounts. I closed some $80. I told I booked some $80, and my stop loss was near my entry point. I just kept my entry point and just hold it. So, and when I saw in weekly, so market started going up. So when it reached at this place, maybe I don't know exactly it reached, I booked again 20%. Because there is no sense me here to book the profit, because I was sitting here. If not, I'll close immediately when it reach the weekly resistance. I'll close it here itself, because the market was sideways here. This was your question, right, sir? Like what I'm giving the correct answer. Is that right or no?
Yeah, I'm just so you took 50% out there and then let the other 50% run.
Correct. Again, I booked next. Yeah.
You just sat and watched it then, did you? Or did you set another level to take the rest of the profit?
The rest 50%, I closed the 20% here itself. Like I just saw the weekly. I'll show you the weekly trend X. So you'll understand here so clearly. You can see this. 1 second. So these levels, you can see we got huge breakout. again, when it comes to a like New York session, right? It's a New York session. So everyone, they started seeing these red candles. The what they think, like normally, okay, we got a red candles, let's jump into the short trades. So actually I'll add my trades when I see these kind of trades. So we got a breakout, like correct. We got a breakout. Again, this is the retest area. We got a retest. So I book my next trades somewhere here, this area. Always, again, New York session is very important. So when I see, I booked some 20-25%. Rest I was holding before closing the market. Everything I closed. Maybe 1:30 or 2 o'clock, I closed everything. Now I don't have any positions because I was not expecting to go this much, sir. This is all-time high. This is all-time high. I was not expecting this much. I closed now. I don't have any position. So I suggest people don't close or like whatever you're holding, at least hold a 10% or 5%. We should hold.
Mr. P, any idea why you didn't hold 5% for the bigger, all-time high and on? Why you didn't hold that? Because normally I thought you might do, but
No, I want to take a short position. I am looking a drop, and I'll honestly I'll tell you. So when it comes to gold, who all are trading in gold, it'll see from last maybe from 2011. So we have one area, always a key drop from that area, like 1900. So from here, almost 10 years it took to reach the same place. So there again, it took 10 years. I mean, again, next 5 to 7 years, it started playing this area. So now I joined some course, like who are elder than me. They teach me about fundamental, how it works. So if gold is making a higher high, so the physical gold, nobody can buy if it goes in this range. To sell the physical gold should come down. So for that reason, I don't like believe that market can be sustainable at this price. It can drop very badly. So from last 3 months, we are just seeing the dream. Market is not coming down at all. I don't know why. For that reason, I booked all, sir. I booked all, and I'm waiting for retracement. The
So
physical.
you don't have a set sort of strategy for taking profits, and it all depends on how the trade plays out.
No, we have strategy, right? We have weekly trend X. I see weekly R1, R2. We have to book the trades when we are talking about weekly. When it comes to a daily trend X, I'll just hide the weekly targets. 1 second. Yeah, this you can see. This is our see. Whenever we are taking any trades from trend X, the first target is this. The first target is this, and this is the daily R1 and previous day high. Because
so
of
at that
yeah,
at that level, would you take 80% out and let 20% run, or is that your sort of strategy?
correct. I'll just book some profit and I'll hold it, sir, because I want to achieve the weekly targets, weekly R1, weekly R2. I look those targets. At least I'll hold my 20% to reach the weekly targets. That's it. But daily trend X, when you are looking any long positions from this area, the daily trend X, the targets are the daily trade R1 and a previous day high. Once it reach here, book some 80 to 90%. The 10% let it go. Let it go weekly R1, R2, maybe R3.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
I'm just trying to figure out, a take profit strategy just in case I ever get one right, basically.
Daily trend X will help us, sir. Don't worry.
Thanks.
Yes.
you are too funny, Toby. You are too funny.
Almost
Law of
today,
averages.
they scare. Thanks for 68, 70 members. There was 70 members, sir. Really, thank you so much.
Pramod, can you
Yeah.
just explain quickly? Like, I get the zones and stuff, but could you just explain your settings and how you where you take the actual zone from, or is it just a rough area, or you know when you draw them, is it like from the wick? Is it from the body? Yeah, if you just explain just quickly, because it's probably one of your videos, but I can't go through all your videos to try and find that one bit that I'm looking for.
You're okay. You're talking about this.
Yeah, just your zones you draw
Okay.
and your rectangle box and what settings
Okay.
you use and just what you're actually looking for when you're drawing the zone. If you could just explain just quickly for us, that'd be
Okay.
amazing.
See, yes. See, okay.
In
Sir,
the 1
see,
hour.
now I'll just show you this exactly why I mark these zones.
Yeah.
So already, yeah. See, when we see if market is struggling from this area, okay, assume that market went up from here, again it came down like sideways, okay.
Mhm.
So as soon as I see any breakout, so I'll just reduce my 1 second. So again I'll draw. So when I see these kind of area, so I'll get a breakout. So I'll just take this zone where I got breakout. So when I see this, I just reduce this to this. So here I actually came from a previous. Okay, where we usually sit there, right, sir, in UK session. So it came from actually started from this area of that. For me to reduce that zone, I just took this zone. That's it.
Yeah.
So now I know the history here. Already we got, I don't want to look now. So I was waiting only long positions because today is narrow and we are above weekly. Once if it start going down from this place, obviously I look my long positions from S1 and previous day low. Before that, I confirm myself it should break this level, because when I show you the daily trend X, we are inside the daily trend X. Now my work is to look along positions from this area, but I want proper setup.
Mhm.
Now this is the not a time to take a long positions, because this is a no trading zone, plus this is no trading session. So we always we wait after the 12 p.m. till maybe 3. This area is very important to us to find the setup. Any movement can come a good trade, because this is a beautiful UK session. After this area. So only these two we will look our area trades. So I was waiting and we was here. Again, I'll just close this. So here. Okay. So now what I do, what I did here, I was waiting to look a long positions. Though I didn't get any confirmation like keep on red candles was coming. I like when I saw this breakout, oh, I thought, okay, let's wait. Maybe it can go a S1. So we look a long positions again in New York session. Now, no time. Like if I start looking a short position, there is like, again, maybe I can take a stop loss. So I was waiting. Let's let it go. Whatever it goes, wait for a S1. After seeing these rejections, I thought, okay, if ready market is ready to go near S1. As soon as I saw this green candle, I thought, okay, let's wait. So second candle, I saw the very big volume. So now I realized that yes, UK session has started. I should take a long positions, and you can see no retracement. You can see very clearly, right? Because the candles now matters. And again, this is my zone. I was coming from last 10 hours. So as soon as I took this trade and I told like people, I told we got a bullish engulf, and you can see this motion and these zones and all, right? So every day we will be talking about this in UK session. If you have time, you can please come there, sir. I'll at least we learn something there about zone. It work really amazing. The zones when we start marking this, it really works amazing.
Hi, Jerry. Can I just direct you? You don't need to watch too many recordings, but it's a big subject, and Mr. P would never be able to do justice to it in 10, 20, 30 minutes. He's done a sort of 60 to 90 minute number 82
Yeah.
was specifically on zones. I don't know if you've watched that, but maybe watch that again. You'll get a much more detailed explanation of
Yeah.
your question. And because it's all about zones, that particular one.
Cool. Brilliant. Thank you.
Pramod,
Yeah, sir.
Pramod,
Yeah, sir.
have a look at Dar. It's coming to your level. Very close.
Yes, sir. I look it. Yeah, you saw, sir. Like how we'll get trapped if the FOMO comes here, we'll just jump into the trade. We saw green candles there, right? So now you wait here, sir. Any bullish candle you can go for a trade. Let's wait for a bullish candle. 1 second, sir. I'm getting no problem. 1 second, sir.
I think it will
How
come
have you
down low.
how have you found that token, Amir? I'm interested considering the history on the 1 hour.
Well, I'm already on a short. I'm up on the short. I'm shorting it, then I'm going to long it. With Pramod's wisdom. So I got
Yeah,
in
sir.
at 2.4 up there, 2.43.
Nice.
But I mean, last night we were talking on the banter group. There were some coins, and I like this one. And there was Ton as well. People were bearish, thinking that Bitcoin might do a 53. I mean, they think there's a little game being played because there's no money in the market at the moment. Liquidity, that they could come down or maybe try to go to 60 something, then come down from the BTC. So be careful, people. Listen to
Yes.
Pramod.
Yes. Now, sir, see, now you can predict yourself. See, sir, now if it's taking support from this level, if it's going, then fine. Correct. So what if these candles come down, if it retest? What pattern we would have seen? Can you guess, anyone?
Another
bullish
short.
hand of maybe
Head and shoulders.
one.
Correct.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, head and shoulders, sir. Some like
Head and shoulders.
Yes, yes, correct. So now you wait 5 minutes. Let's see any candle. I see this. It should come into the zone. Remember, okay? We can to see so many fake breakouts or fake candles here. Let it come into the zone. This zone. Okay, we should see all those what we are planning to see, or we should see here itself. Then we should look along positions, and you just see here they was showing a green candle, right? I'll just replay here because we don't get this kind of trades here, right? I'll just replay this only. Yes, because we should know, see how they'll manipulate. They'll push you to take the long positions. Now here, so already like when we see these kind of trades, we sell. We like, oh, we missed this trade. So I'll just show you. See, after this green candle, so I think we should reduce the time. Okay, here when we see a green candles, right here. So we feel that we should jump into the trade. No, 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 no. We should not at all do that. We should always wait for the zone, and you can see this is how it works. The patience, maybe if 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 you're not taking those kind of trades, you would have saved our stop loss. Always, the patience is really, we need a good patience here. I'll just remove all indicators very clearly. Wait, let it come into the zones.
And there's
Always
a fair
remember
value
when,
gap there.
yeah,
Pramod.
fair value gap, right? Correct. We have 1 second. Yeah, some like you can see many people, they see fair value gap, like other like what they do. Even I do. So I'll take fib recent low. Yeah, you can mark this level. The same zone, 618, the white line. Same line, right? The 618 you can see. So we'll wait here. So here, when if you see any candlestick pattern here, but use stop loss, guys. Okay, I'm not supposed to tell directly take a long position and all, but to try to understand what all I'm showing this. It really works when you start playing that candlestick pattern zones. Oh my god, almost 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me, guys. Today is our festival. I have to go. So if somebody is from India, they know what festival is today.
A good festival, Pramod.
Yeah, if anyone is there from India, I think nobody's here. So.
Come, Pramod, you need to get your friends to join.
Raki,
easy algo.
Easy algo, yeah. Somebody told Raki, yes. Today we have festival, sir. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll post charts there, guys. Okay, I'll post the
Your
chart there.
festival called Raki.
Raki, yeah. How to explain? I don't know. Okay.
In Turkey, our most famous alcohol drink is called Raki as well, without the H.
Okay. The Raki, the festival, sister ties this two brother, like brother sisters festival, sir. They use this, yeah. Done, sir. We'll meet again if I post charts. If I see that, yes, all the best, guys. We'll come every week only on Monday. It will be recorded. Okay, we'll find setup. Try to learn something here. Okay, don't believe any signals and all. When you learn, it's very easy. Okay, I repeat, it's very easy. Hardly you come this week, you'll understand so many things. You will learn 70 to 90%. How to mark the zones is very, really important in 5 minutes and all. Once you will get confirmation, you will start taking the trades. Many people will send me the personal message. They took the trades according to the zones and all. They got successful. They say me thanks and all. I hope everyone will learn. Please join there. Let's see how it works. We got bullish engulf here. I seriously don't know. See, because I really like maybe Sam said, like he was asking me about the gold, right? The same situations here. If would have come here, then if we see any bullish engulf, yes, we can go for a trade. But the stop loss is very big.
Thanks, Mr. P.
Yeah,
Thank
sir.
you. Just got just quick announcement. Mindset is starting in 30 minutes. At 10, I'll be in there 10 minutes early just to have a chat and get myself set up. If you're interested, the Zoom link is above, and the zones have changed my trading. Actually, I'm just in the trade now with my DAX, so it's working all right. Thank you very much. And yeah, so Mindset Group, if you want to join on Zoom, it's in the chat. It's also in the events. I hope to see you there, Mr. P. Thank you. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.